Viewsonic. Hi, I'm Andrea from Viewsonic, and today I'd like to demonstrate how you can engage and collaborate with your audience using Viewsonic's line of interactive projectors. The Viewsonic PJD8653WS and the PJD8353S both feature the latest interactive technology that can turn any surface into an interactive whiteboard. Equipped with the optional interactive package, our projectors can include dual interactive pens that allow two users to simultaneously annotate, write, or draw on the projected image with smooth, accurate responses. This feature encourages collaboration and engages the audience. The optional interactive package also includes Light Pen 3 software, which provides you with a rainbow of colors and an array of brush and pen strokes that you can use to write or draw. With interactive functionality, Viewsonic's PJD8653WS and PJD8353S projectors are ideal for collaborative learning in classroom environments, as well as engaging audiences in corporate